Rebuilding trust after infidelity is a challenging process, but it's possible with commitment, effort, and open communication. Here are some steps to consider. 1. Acknowledge the betrayal. The unfaithful partner must take responsibility for their actions. Acknowledge the hurt caused and express genuine remorse. 2. Open communication. Both partners need to communicate openly. Discuss feelings, fears, and concerns. Transparency is crucial during this phase. 3. Seek professional help. Consider couples therapy or counseling. A trained therapist can guide you through the healing process and provide tools to rebuild trust. 4. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries to prevent further breaches of trust. Discuss what acceptable behavior is moving forward. 5. Consistent honesty. The unfaithful partner must be consistently honest. Small lies can erode trust further. 6. Patience and time. Rebuilding trust takes time. Be patient and allow emotions to heal gradually. 7. Forgiveness. The betrayed partner needs to work toward forgiveness. It doesn't mean forgetting, but it allows healing to occur. Remember that rebuilding trust is a joint effort. Both partners must be committed to the process and willing to work through the pain.